everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my March, it is March, right? March update for Partners in Cream. Wow, wow. This was a project created by Steph Lyons and Delyn, who is Outward Processing here on YouTube. And it is all about non-powder products, specifically cream products, since they go bad faster, but it can be like a cream, a liquid, or anything that has a higher chance of going bad faster by drying out or turning with like having bacteria in it or whatever, because we know that the more moisture in a product, the quicker it is going to turn bad. So they created this amazing project. It is brilliant. The name is just as cute as can be, Partners in Cream. That did it for me right there. But yeah, so this project is all about that. Tons of people have joined in, and I'm going to link down below. There is a spreadsheet, and it should be in real time if I'm not mistaken, where you can join in if you want to, and you can see who else joined in. If you want to join in, please do it, because use up those cream products. They need to get done. So we picked, the number was a little like, some people said like 3 to 5, some people said 4 to 6. I kept it like right in the middle. I went for the 5 because, you know, can't go wrong if you stick with the number 5. So I picked 5 products. I have not finished any of them yet, and my goal has been to finish them. So I'm going to show them to you, and then one of the products I'm actually going to roll out, and I will explain that in a minute, and I'm going to roll something else in its place. Roll something else in, comma, in its place. All right, so let's get into this. The first one I have doesn't have a ton of progress. I will be honest, I have been sick off and on, it seems like since the beginning of February, maybe the end of January, and I'm not back to myself yet, so I have had some no makeup days, which in panning, that's a no-no, but you know, life prevails, right? So the first thing is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner. I didn't even bother making a new line on it because it just wasn't even necessary. But I have used it, just not a ton. You can see where I started and where I am. I'm just below this line now, but if I was to put another line on there, it would be like, it would be smeared into the top line, and this is what the product looks like. I just don't want to roll it all up and break it. I love it. I absolutely love this eyeliner, and this is not the one I'm rolling out. I'm going to keep this one in because it does get use, and I'm enjoying it. Let's see. Pardon me, and I don't even have my water in here. What is going on with me? The next one is the e.l.f. Shimmer Palette. I'm working on 2 shades, but I'm really focused on the white shade right now, and I wanted to hit side pan on this one right here, and I have actually done that. This one I've used as a cream highlighter. I've used it for my inner corners, and then I usually will set it with something like some kind of a powder. I've used it as a lip topper. I multitask it quite a bit, and my goal eventually is to finish this whole thing. Actually, both of these, that's all that's left. I would like to get those done this year. So yeah, that one is going to stay in. This I have counted as 2 products since it's 2 pans. I'm just going to have that tickle in my throat. Gotta love that allergy season is starting. This next one is the one that I'm actually going to roll out. This is the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects. It is technically a lip topper. I have been using it on my eyes, and I do like it, and I do want to continue to use it. I'm going to just give you a swatch of what it looks like. I will continue to use it, but I'm going to take it out of this project. That is what it looks like. And like I said, I use it on my eyes. It takes a few minutes to dry down, which is not optimal, especially since I'm a busy girl. You know, I got 3 little kids. I just want to get to getting. But, so I'm going to roll this out. And the reason I'm going to be rolling it out is not because I don't like it. It's not because it takes forever to dry down. But realistically, I'm not going to be able to finish this in a year. Even if I used it every single day, I can't finish this in a year. It's just too much product for the small amount of space that I would be using on. Because I would only use it like on like the inner third to half of my eyelids. And yeah, it's not going to happen. It's kind of it's kind of pointless, I think, to pan a product that is not going to be panned in a certain time frame. So I should have not put this in the first place. I kind of, pardon me, disregarded my own rule about knowing your products and the amount of time you have to pan it. This is a lesson to me. This is hopefully a lesson to you guys. Don't pick products that are brand new, that take forever and a day to pan, and put them in a project expecting to finish them, because it's just not going to happen. And I realized this, thankfully, after just 2 months in on this project, and I will continue to use it periodically. I will probably throw it into a makeup basket here or there, but as far as trying to finish it this year, I'm taking that off the table, taking it out of my head, and I'm just going to enjoy it randomly, and that way I don't feel the pressure of it. So I am going to roll something else in its place, which I will get to. The next product and the last product that I'm going to show you that is a rollover, is one that I actually have made good progress on, and I actually, my goal on it, my little goal, my monthly goal. This is the Depotted Concealer from the Jane Iredale palette, and my goal was to get to the halfway point with this. It had like that ring all the way around it, and as you can see, I have cleared out pretty much half of that ring. Might not be perfectly a half, but yeah, I feel like I've done pretty good with it, so I am not mad at this one. All right, I am going to show you what I am bringing in. This is something that I've had in my collection forever, and honestly, I don't know why I ever bought it, but what are you going to do? You bought something, you got to pan it. I don't hate it, I've never really used it, and it had gotten smashed into the cap. I just want to get it done. This is the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. It is brand new, even though you'll see a hunk out of the top of it. And like I said, it got, like, must have gotten rolled up with the cap or whatever, and it's like got jammed up in there. Let me see how much product is even in here. There is that much product. I will need to mark it on the cap. Basically, from my understanding, and I don't know because I haven't actually tried using this, it is supposed to, you're supposed to put this down like a liner on your lips, but it's clear, and it's supposed to help hold difficult colors that tend to bleed, like your darker colors or your brighter colors. It's supposed to keep them from bleeding as much, and I don't know if it works. I guess we're going to find out. So yeah, I'm going to mark that on the cap once I am done filming. Actually, I'm going to compare it next to the cap to see how much is actually in here. Okay, so I can actually put it on the cap. I will do that. I'm not going to set a goal for this one because I don't know how, like, I know how it works. I just don't know how well it's going to work. That's what I'm saying. So I will mark this, and I'm going to set goals, not for the eyeliner because, you know, that's subjective to my mood, but I'm going to set a goal for this pan right here, the Jane Iredale. I'm going to set a goal to try to finish it. If I don't finish it in the next month, I hopefully will be very close. I would like to actually finish a product in this. That would be nice. It would be really nice. And as for the shimmer palette from e.l.f., I'm going to keep working on this white, and I think I'm going to try to take it from where I hit side pan here down to get to the corner pan, and all the product that is like basically from here over. Not a ton, but I figure if I keep making these small goals on my products, then eventually I will get them done. And I would like to get this one done before I really start working on this beige. I find it's better for me if I just kind of focus and do it that way and just kind of knock it out a little by little and go from there. So that is everything. I hope you guys aren't disappointed in the fact that I am rolling out a product that I can't realistically finish it this year. It's going to take forever. But it's an interesting product, and it gives sparkle because everything is better with sparkle. At least I think so. But so now I have my replacement, and I have the 4 other products in here that I'm going to be working on for the next month. Hopefully I can reach those 2 goals that I made, and maybe if we're lucky, roll in a product next month without having to roll one out because it just wasn't working. So that is everything. Definitely go check out Steph Lyons and Delynn. They are going to be linked down below, along with the spreadsheet of everyone else that has joined in. And they have pretty much opened this up to anyone that wants to join in. So if that's something that you are interested in, we would love to have you on this cream product painting journey, because that's what it's all about. And I believe this is supposed to be done at the end of the year, though there are some people that have talked about maybe taking it a little bit longer. So I don't know if they're going to do a part 2 or if we're just going to keep going. I guess we'll see as the year goes on how they're going to play that one out. So that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.